Okay, let's get one thing straight. If you think your favorite celeb gets skin like this just by drinking water and applying malai, you have been lied to and also scammed. Hi, I'm Dr. Suganya Naidu, and today we are talking about what celebs actually do to their skin and why trying to copy them with your kitchen shelf is just not wrong, but also damaging your skin. We'll dive into skincare myths, what celebs do behind the scenes, and what you really need to make your skin glow. And that too without making a hole in your pocket. So let's start. The classic skincare myth, I just drink lots of water. Let's be honest, if water alone gave flawless skin, we all will be walking around with glass skin by now. Hydration is important, yes, but shrinking pores, clearing acne and brightening pigmentation? Yeah, that needs a little bit more than just sipping water all day. You need active ingredients. You need proper treatments like your chemical peels, laser tonings, hydrofacials, and not just sitting at home with chugging water like it's liquid gold. Skincare myth number 2, I use all natural products. Yeah, it sounds nice, but let's be clear, natural doesn't mean that it's safe or effective. In fact, it can damage your skin. For example, lemon on your face, that is like pure acid which can actually burn your skin. Haldi every day, you are just one step away from pigmentation. And finally, multani mitti daily for your acne, your skin barrier is crying for help. As a dermatologist, I can tell you, these natural remedies can sometimes do more harm than good if they are not used the right way. So stick to science-backed skincare and remember, your skin deserves better than experiments. So what these celebs actually do? Alright, it's time to spill the real tea. This is what your favorite celebs actually do to get that flawless skin. Laser toning for that even skin tone. Skin boosters for that glow from within. Botox for that smooth forehead. Fillers for a naturally snatched look. And LED therapies, facials, and yep, a personal dermatologist on call. The truth about filters and lightening. Let's talk about what you actually don't see. These celebs know makeup selfies. 90% of the time, it's not real and there is some sort of editing app or a bit of Photoshop magic. Stop comparing your skin in the morning light to their airbrush reality. Now, the social media, it plays a major role with this unrealistic beauty standards. And it's very important that you do not get sucked into those comparison traps and be mentally sane. They have access and you can too. Yes, they have money, access and a team of experts. But you know what? You don't need all of this to have a great skin. You just need a healthy lifestyle, a solid skincare routine, the right actives, sun protection, and few treatments according to your budget. Just follow very basic good skincare routine like a sunscreen, moisturizer, and a cleanser. And be really regular and consistent with it. In case you want to add on to actives, you can add a vitamin C in the morning and a retinol at night. So just using this will really give you a glowing skin over time. And remember, your skin is not their skin. Let's get one thing clear. Genetics play a very huge role. Some celebs naturally have this amazing skin, but few of them also suffer with this acne, rosacea, and struggle with textures just like you. You just don't see it. So stop chasing for this perfect skin. We need to embrace what's real. Let's normalize having pores, texture, and pigmentation. I mean, that's what makes us human, right? So don't copy, get curious, and get confident. Next time someone tells you their glowing skin is from Basin and Chandan, just smile and send them this video. Because while celebs don't rely on DIYs, they rely on dermatologists. And you do not need this celeb money for a glowing skin. All you need is the right skincare knowledge. Like this video if you have been a victim of this natural remedy scam. And share it with your Haldi bestie. And comment below what is that weirdest thing you have tried for your skin and regretted. Let's bond over bad skincare decisions. Take care.